Hey there, beer lovers. We got another box in today from our good friends, I believe, at 5-Star and Gugon and Micro Scientific and Stone Care and Wrights and Purpose Built and a bunch of other beautiful companies, mostly 5-Star chemicals. Let's see what's in here. Bubble wrap. And a whole lot of PBW tablets. All right. I like these PBW tablets. They're nice because you just throw one per gallon when you're cleaning. And in they go. There are a schwack of them. This is a heavy box. Another heavy box. Shipping's going to cost us a bit to get it all out to you guys. But yeah, PBW tablets, they're great. PBW itself is great, but in the you don't have to guess on how many to put in. You fill it up to 1 gallon or 2 gallons or 4 liters or 8 liters or 12 liters or whatever it is. Throw in 3 tablets. Everything comes out sparkly clean. Beautiful. All right. Come back for another episode. Whenever I get some more stuff in, I will post it. Cheers to beer. Hope you enter the contest. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.